Every year you hear people going on and on about new potatoes. Everybody's wanting to get their potatoes going and dig those early new ones. Susan's been concerned about her old potatoes. Potatoes we dug last year, a lot of them weren't going to keep until we get them eaten. So she dug through her potatoes and started peeling and cutting, and she's been canning potatoes. And this way we'll be able to save them. Look at that, see, that's still bubbling. That just came out of the canner a while ago. And it's still bubbling. Anyway, her canning is a joy. She saves a lot of food. So remember to look at your old potatoes. If they aren't going to keep till you're going to get them all used, peel them, cut them up, can them. And you know what? Yeah, look at that. Look at that bubble. Just out of the canner. Susan loves her canner. She's pretty good at this. Let's see, I think I saw that one. Yeah, that one's bubbling yet too. Now we're going to walk over here and take a quick look at Buster. Hey there, Buster. Buster's one of our Schipperkes. He's an old gray muzzle. I think he's, what, 16, Susan?
Mm-hmm.
He's a nice old puppy dog. Okay, we'll see you all later. Thanks for visiting.